This rosé, I ain't sipping on Moscato. Woke up next to a model, looking like I hit the fucking lotto. Sipping on the caramel macchiato. I just hit the gas, it's gelato. State to a state, nigga, I be getting to the pate. Wake up early, sleep late. Nigga, I'm just trying to be great. I just had a threesome with 2 girls in it straight. Can't stay the night these days, you gotta skate. Wait. Can't come in, gotta buzz you at the gate. What's the deal? Welcome back to the Blizzard vlog. No cap, man, I'm a doggy. I'm just in a rapping mood, man. I finally got a studio session, y'all. I finally got to book a studio session for tomorrow. I got a really, really, really long day today, low-key, high-key, actually. I'm at the crib right now. I'm at the house, and I pulled up, and I have to meet here with the security people because, you know, I got to have cameras out here decked out. Cameras out here decked out, man. I'm about to raise me a pit bull in the back and everything, man. Got to have it highly secured, man. The mansion cannot be touched. So I'm just having security come up here, get these cameras set up, all this other stuff. But before I got here, I was like, you know what, man? I ain't used my kitchen yet. My kitchen's absolutely beautiful. 2 million people seen it. You know what I'm saying? The OD music video hit 2 million. Clap it up. But I was like, I want to use my kitchen, man. So I went grocery shopping, got a lot. I went grocery shopping and got a lot of food. So I'm gonna cook, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook, man. I know a lot of y'all be asking me to cook because y'all be seeing my meals. Y'all be seeing the type of stuff that I'll be cooking. And the type of stuff I'll be cooking, y'all gotta realize, like, I've been cooking for a long time, bro. Like, when I was living with my mom and then I went to college, I had to learn how to cook. So the stuff that I be cooking is certain stuff that you can't cook without certain instructions and stuff. So I'm gonna just teach y'all a little bit today, but I'm gonna cook in my kitchen for the first time. Went to the grocery store, got a bunch of food, man. We about to have a whole feast. And right before the security people get here. Smash the like button, no cap, man. Hey, I love you, bro. Hashtag I ain't even gonna say it. You already know what I'm about to say. I changed my front door, y'all. Y'all can't see it though. But my shit heat, bruh, no cap. Heat. Let me get a heat check. Ooh. All right, y'all, let me show y'all what I have for the groceries. It's very responsible. I bring a lot of utensils. Got me my special spatula, man. Should have sold out everywhere else, man. So you ain't gonna be able to find this spatula. Got my little handy dandy. This is my go-to. You know, I've been using this for years. It's my go-to thing, the little small joint, you know, can or whatever you call it. And then I got the rest of my groceries in this bag. Let's get to cooking. Got a few essentials. Now these eggs are very, very hard to find, guys. You know, like I don't usually cook eggs, but like today I decided to do it. I feel like eggs is a much harder meal to cook. So I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't showed y'all how to cook eggs before. I usually cook other stuff, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead go crazy on these, man. Just enough right here. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful eggs. So I'm gonna crack the egg, put it in this little bowl right here. Yeah, man, I be going crazy on the cooking, bro. Like, I be trying to like get it more into the cooking stuff just because I know that's where my heart is type shit. But a lot of people will tell me that, you know, it's more in the music or some shit like that. But to be honest, between me and y'all, like, before I got into this YouTube stuff, bro, I wanted to be like a chef. And, you know, I still got it, you know what I mean? So it's like, I always think about it. Maybe I get back on it and do it all over again, or, you know, maybe take a break from YouTube, or, you know, and just do culinary, you know? Because I compare myself to somebody like Gordon Ramsay, you know? But he just got more of the food fan base than me, you know what I mean? So once I finally get that food fan base, I feel like everything gonna switch up, you know? But it is what it is, man. You know, I don't be tripping on it, you know? But that's why I like YouTube so much, man, because I'm able to do a bunch of different stuff on here. And y'all be begging me to cook something new, and I always come up with something crazy. So this one gonna be crazy, man. I know y'all like the last one. But yeah, man, I'm about to go dummy on this one. I can't wait. I wish I had a girl that could cook like me, bro. Cause all these girls, they be cool and shit, but they don't be knowing how to cook for real. I'm using Lawry's seasoning salt for this. Now, a lot of people use this for other things, but nobody really uses them for eggs. I'm switching it up. I want these eggs to have a little spice to it, man. It can't be that little weak shit. Man, I like to stir mine in before it hit the pan, because the way it hit the pan on a different type of level, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? It really matters where the seasoning is laying at on the egg, because that's where you're gonna bite at. You want each bite to be special. So I like to spread it out. I like to, stir it up. And I don't get shy with seasoning salt. Just make the whole meal. You know what I'm saying? No cap. And when I go to people parties and I cook for them and shit like that, I try to I try to be more generic, bro. But like when I'm cooking for myself, I'm never shy with the seasoning salt. But everybody that I be cooking for and shit, they be like, nigga, pull up to my party and just bring just don't put that much seasoning salt on there. And I'll be like, all right. You know what I'm saying? Because people be scared, bro. Like, especially dudes, they be scared for me to come to their parties and cook for them and their wife taste it. All of a sudden, me and his wife is getting down with the get down, man. So it's just like, let me show y'all what I'm working with. Working with that right there. Sorry, guys. They had to call me so I can buzz them in. But check this out. That's what I'm working with right now, man. Man, I can't wait. I'm so hungry because I got the munchies. Ooh. What you looking at, boy? I gotta let these niggas in real quick. Get this alarm shit done. They interrupted my meal, but it's all good, man. It's for a better cause.
Hello. I like that door, man.
Like it?
We got our mask on.
Yeah, I forgot mine.
I love that door. That is awesome.
Appreciate it.
That's really cool.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah.
I'm Austin.
Still.
Thanks for having us.
So, all right, y'all. We got them out. We're done. I'm gonna wash out this pan. Oh, wrong one. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. So, I'm about to go ahead and get my butter. Can't cook eggs without butter, guys. And this is the first time me really cooking y'all these eggs. But y'all gotta remember this. Can't cook eggs without butter. I don't know what butter is made of. Comment below if you know what butter is made of. I have absolutely no idea what butter is made of. Zero idea. Not even a little bit. I just know it's yellow and it gets slippery. Just like y'all know, no cap. Hey, say. Check me out. I like my butter to sit in one place. And I mix butter with water just to water down the fat a little bit. You see a separation right there? Satisfying, huh? Yeah, I know. See that? And then I like to move it to the other side, all at once. And this is when you get it like nice and slippery like that. You get it nice and slippery like that. That's when you throw the eggs in. You don't want the butter gone. There it is. And that's why you got to put a lot more seasoning, because sometimes when you pour it out of the bowl, the seasoning stick. You know what I'm saying? So y'all little niggas don't really know how to cook. Now you can see it's starting to whiten up. And it's cool just to hit the egg on one of these. The egg's gonna make itself. This gets it cooked a little. This gets the egg cooked a little thoroughly because you're processing the heat through the entire egg while moving it. So it lets it cook thoroughly because it cooks a little slower this way. So now I'm gonna turn up the heat on high. And we're gonna really start to do this now. Now this is gonna make it cook fast but slow at the same time. This is how you get the seasoning to sink dead smack in the middle of it. You hear it bubbling? It's working. It's starting to harden up already. And then you set it halfway above like that. And you just hover over it. See, a lot of people don't cook like this. Y'all be cooking a little different, for real. Now I'm gonna set it to the side, turn this fire off, and let it cool down. And we're gonna let that sit for 1 minute before we finish it. This is a process that a lot of people don't follow. Now, as you can see, I have Powerade right here. You might be like, well, DDG, Powerade and eggs, that ain't gonna mix. Shut your mouth. You don't know how to cook. I've been cooking longer than you. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna get some Powerade, literally a roly with a dab of ranch. You can't even, all it's gonna do, it's gonna create a sugar balance inside of the egg. Something that eggs don't have. Eggs don't have sugar. That's all you give them. That's all you give them. You can use any juice, anything, but all this does is balance out the seasoning because you're adding sugar on top of salt. See, you don't know about this. I was valedictorian. I know about mixing stuff. And then we're just gonna mix that up. Right now it's drying. Now this is where we bring Mr. Spatcher in. Like so. We're gonna heat this up again. Heat it up. Heat that up. And now we're gonna start to disperse this over and over again. Make sure you whip it up. The more you cut up the eggs, the more better it'll be. But never forget, it's never too much butter. You don't forget that, you hear me? It's never too much butter. This is how you make flavorful eggs. Not that dry shit you be cooking, man. Them dry ass eggs you be cooking, man, we ain't messing with that. I'm only cooking gourmet eggs, man. Don't let your wife see my cooking videos, man. She gonna wanna leave. All these culinary jobs I done took, man, but I'm on here doing YouTube. I'm in the wrong field, man. Tell Gordon Ramsay I'm dropping a diss track on it, man. No cap. Bam. I like to cook my eggs thoroughly. A lot of other people like wet ass eggs that still be white. Those are not healthy. Those are not the best eggs for you to eat. These eggs got a sharp yellow look on them because of the seasoning salt. You be using that regular salt. You don't know how to cook. Pay attention. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to take the first initial bite, wash my fork off. All right, now take the first initial bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. God damn. Yeah, kid you not. No cap. All bullshit aside. That little cap of Powerade, I can taste it, bro. But it's like the perfect amount. It's like a little sugar balance. I'm trying to tell you. The seasoning not too harsh. You know that this is not regular salt. Tastes like I'm at a barbecue, man. Wow. Sometimes I hate how talented I am, bro. Like, I'm like, damn, man. Like, can I not be this talented, bro? Like, oh my Lord. Wow. Oh, bro. If a girl tell me her cats taste like these eggs, I'ma eat it. I'ma eat the box. I can't get it. Fuck, man. I wanted that so bad. All right, y'all, man. So that was my first meal in the DDG kitchen. You guys, mark this date, man. This is history. I just made history right now. I just cooked a gourmet meal in my gourmet mansion for the first time in forever. This is absolutely amazing, man. I got Wi-Fi, so I'm about to edit this right now, upload this first video uploaded from the DDG mansion. Clap it up, y'all. Everything coming together so well. When I move in here, these niggas in trouble. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Comment below what videos y'all want to see today. Cause I ain't got nothing to do. Sight, yes I do. I got a music video shoot today. Gotta get my hair braided and cut. Whoa, let's see if I get more uploads.